Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Actress Shayna TV, and right now I have just one short behind the scenes from the movie Good Yard Bad Road Part 6, which will be coming soon to Talk Up TV 1. So guys, I want to stay tuned for that movie there. It's going to be epic. Alright, so in the meantime, Lato have a little thing for say, and also Kesha Park, well, make it make sense. So guys, if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, you need to please do so now. Like and share the video, and one more thing, you need to watch the ads. When you see the ads pop up, put on your phone, make it run if you don't have time to watch it, and then get back to the movie. So right now, Chaplad, more you bring on Lato, make him do a little speech, and then after Lato, Kesha Park. Guys, stay tuned, make we get right into it. Actress Shayna, I'm out.
You know a thing gonna know we there, we out. And we say room.
About the friends of my friends are now.
You see me, Lato there.
Rich and them.
You know a thing go.
Yo, rich.
And you with the Lato and rich.
Out. As me I say, you don't know I want Lato down. And we I say yo, me I say yo, big up to everybody out. Saying, and yo, you know more big up my enemy them when they watch me. You understand? You know why I want to big them up? Because when the boss them a pay out and give back in workers them a tip for inner ear. And you know, so me don't know who to give a thing, because I don't know their name, but big up to who they watch me all these years. You understand me I say? Yeah, me enemy them when they watch me. Big up on yourself. And you want to come up with no name so I can get to know who no want to pay. You understand me I say? Yeah, right, that's all.
Oh, yeah man, we have a next rich friend, man. You know what thing going on, man. Kesha. Yeah man, Kesha say nah, there's no money, say man, give it.
Oh,
it's a tape.
Me, I live a maddest lifestyle right now. 2025. I don't play a thing. I've been living it, you know. Right now, it get hectic. Maddest lifestyle, me I live. I'm not dead left a dollar, give nobody to fight over.
Oh, one of we knows. I'm out. Yeah. Rich friend, GLE they manager for the man. GLE 9.5. Believe the man. Let's say the man there GLE. You know GLC no. GLE. And a GLC. A GLE. They man top walk you know man.
Make a little something talk now.
When man not for drive in GLE do some Uber.
Talk to my beast man.
Beast. And say, hey GLE.
Pop the sun roof.
Pop the sun visor. Bahamat! Yo! You think I joke? We not take coke. I'm out.
Alan! Catch him up. Falan, hold up. Falan.
Yes sir.
You can't zoom me while you're using.
Falan. Oh wait, how am I data gone? Yeah? Why you can't make bird out of stone in a boy? You can't try with a little data, eh? How what you got now?
Well, you don't know, it's Actress Shayna, I'm there on the set, and we are shoot Good Yard Bad Road Part 6. Guys, it's coming soon. Sharp. Wanna just stay tuned. It's gonna be epic. Sapphire run, so behind the scenes there. So as we did a location right so we're gonna do a piece of movie right here. So big up to all people them in the comment section. Yeah, no well important, you know. Yes, if you want to comment, we go always see, so we can go now shout out and good stuff there. You know what I mean? Share up all of the videos them and watch the ads them. Make sure say you know I watch the ads. Check out baby Sapphire Rowan so happy as hell. Hey mama. Hey I move so say hi. Hi, blow them kiss. Ah, that's baby Sapphire. Yay. Yay. Mind your job.
You understand?
Come here.
So, when I see them move like they want to attack him, we just have to catch him walking.
Frank up there so you catch you walking.
You are broke out me, I know.
Alright. You just follow back at me.
Slim man, get slim. Can we make sure them man walking?
Yeah.